This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, dusk-sensing headlights, and this vehicle has less than 66,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Southworth Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1430 North Baldwin Avenue in Marion.